Mm.
And then I'm going to make you a host.
All right, everyone, we're going to go ahead and get started. Welcome, 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 everyone. I'm so glad you are here. Once again, this is a fun place for kids to disagree. So welcome to Kids Debate Club. I am your host, Skylar Anderson. And I'm just so happy to be here. Thank you in advance for Miss Jennifer for allowing me to be the host. Just a little bit about me. I was born and raised in Greenville, South Carolina. I've been in Alabama going on 4 years, and I'm currently a behavior technician / RBT in training. And once again, thank you so much for having me. All right, so just a little bit about the Kids Debate Club. It was established in 2020 by Miss Jennifer Duckworth, and the vision is to create a safe and fun place for students to debate and learn the art of conversation. Okay, let's get into it. Here's what to expect. We have 4 rounds of debate. Waffles versus pancakes between the 2nd or 4th graders, which makes me super excited because I'm actually a huge fan of both. So I am here today to really hear what you all have to say. I know we're all excited just to hear your thoughts and opinions about both. So here's the scorecard. We have 4 rounds. Round 1 is the opening statement, which each team will state their opinion and arguments, offer rebuttals, state their conclusion and final thoughts, follow the flow of the numbers. The second round is the object of proof. Teams will show objects to show their teams are the best. Then the third round is a surprise attack. This is when students will respond to a surprise question to further prove their arguments. And then we have the 6-word sentence. So you will use 6 words to prove your argument. All right, so let's introduce our amazing judges. All right, our first judge is Miss Rebecca Dixon, is the CEO, and please correct me if I'm saying it wrong. I'm sorry. Sachet Tea Benefit Corporation. Next is Miss Belinda Lyons, who is the owner of Hueytown UPS store, and last but not least, Miss Susie Harris, who is a sale program manager. So we're going to give each of our judges a brief moment to come off mute for just 1 minute to just give us a brief introduction about themselves. So you all have the floor.
Well, I'll go first. My name is Belinda Lyons. I'm the UPS franchise owner in Hueytown. I've been a franchise owner for 10 years, where we specialize in printing, shipping, and anything business services. And I am uber excited to hear the debate about pancakes and waffles. Good luck to all the participants.
I can go next. I'm Rebecca Denson, and I'm originally from India and have lived in Birmingham for 14 years now. And I have a really sweet family. I have a set of twin girls. This is one of my girls, Karis, and I have the other twin is Grace, and I have a little boy, Zion. And yeah, this is a really awesome opportunity to listen to all your opinions and to be able to hear it out and see your brilliance in all of this. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Susie Harris. I manage the SAIL program, which is Summer Adventures in Learning. And we support summer learning programs all over the state of Alabama. And so we like to make sure all of our kids in the summer still do a little bit of math, a little bit of reading, but have a lot of fun doing it. So, and I have a son who is 19, and he is in mechanic school at Lawson State University. He wants to be a Toyota mechanic. So he is also working at Lexus, which Toyota owns. So I'm so excited to see y'all here tonight and looking forward to hearing the debate.
Okay, thank you for that, and thank you for taking the time and just spending your evening with us, judges. We really appreciate it. All right, so the time has come. Let's get into it. I hope everyone's ready. Waffles, you are up. Let's hear you all's opening statement.
Who's going first again?
Waffles.
Okay, I'll start. Good evening, judges. My name is Phoenix Duckworth, and I'm for Team Waffles. Did you know that according to tastingtable.com, there are 16 different types of waffles around the world? But waffle cones, potato waffles, Brussels waffles, even more. I believe that waffles are better than pancakes because waffles are healthier than pancakes. Pancakes get soggy way quicker than waffles, and waffles hold syrup better than pancakes. First argument, waffles are healthier than pancakes. Evidence 1. According to concreteplayground.com, waffles contain less sugar at 2%, while pancakes pack it up with 5%. And also evidence 2, according to foodstruck.com, waffles have 36 more grams more calcium than pancakes. Second argument. According to WTUG.com, pancakes get soggy way quicker than waffles. Evidence 1. According to kitchencommunity.org, pancakes are made from a thinner batter. Also, they soak up more liquids. Third argument. According to ChicagoWaffles.com, waffles hold syrup better than pancakes. Waffles hold it. Evidence. According to kitchencommunity.com, the thick base of waffles makes them an excellent choice for holding a variety of toppings. In conclusion, waffles are better because they are healthier, not as soggy, and hold syrup better. The reason I am stating these facts is because waffles are one of my favorite breakfast foods. Thank you.
Thank you, Phoenix. If we could have the next person on Team Waffles.
Can I go next?
Of course.
Okay. There are all right. No. Introduction. Waffles are crunchy and sweet. Here are my 3 reasons why waffles are better than pancakes. First one, there are all kinds of waffles, such as Belgian, coffle, and even hot dog or waffle dog. Second, today waffles have more sugar than pancakes because waffles have a spoonful of sugar, while pancakes have no sugar at all. So waffles are sweeter than pancakes. Waffles don't need to be cooked in the oven, so it can go faster.
Thank you. Next on Team Waffles. Mhm.
Okay. Hi, judges. Today, I will share why I think waffles are better than pancakes. My first pro is waffles hold syrup better than pancakes. My second pro is waffles are crispier and fluffier than pancakes. And my third pro is waffles are easier to make. There are so many waffles around the world, and they are delicious.
Anyone else on Team Waffles? All right, Nigel.
Hello, judges. My name is Nigel, and the reason why I think waffles are better is that they hold syrup easier and they hold a lot of toppings rather than pancakes. You have to do a lot of things to only hold some of the toppings. So, evidence one, according to Google on YouTube, I researched and found out that waffles can hold 70% more toppings than pancakes. And that's all for now.
Anyone else on Team Waffles? Good job. All right. So let's get started with pancakes. Okay, go ahead.
One, pancakes are yummy because they have flour, milk, and eggs. You can make pancakes. Oh. Introduction. Pancakes smell good and taste good and taste good. Here are my 3 reasons why I like pancakes. 1, pancakes are yummy because they have flour, milk, and eggs. You can make pancakes at home. Pancakes can come in any shape or size. Those are my 3 reasons why I like pancakes.
All righty.
Hi, I'm Sylvie McDaniel.
And I'm James McDaniel.
And I believe that pancakes are better than waffles. My first topic is pancakes are healthier than waffles. Our second topic is pancakes are easier to make. And our third is pancakes come in many different shapes and sizes.
Okay. Good job. All righty. So now, has everyone have a chance to defend their argument? Thumbs up? Just to make sure I didn't skip over anybody. Yes, question? Okay, perfect. All right, so for 1 minute with your team, which is Team Waffles and Pancakes, you will jump into your chat room and prepare for your rebuttals. Let's prepare for our rebuttals. So let's start with Waffles. Judah?
I heard somebody say pancakes come in all shapes and sizes. That's true, but waffles come in all shapes and sizes too.
So somebody said that pancakes are easier to make. Well, according to BettyCrocker.com, well, waffles are easier to make because of the waffle iron.
Sylvia and James?
You have to have you have to get a waffle iron that's like the shape of a heart if you want it to be in that shape. If you want it to be in a certain shape, because I heard someone say that waffles can come in any different shape. But in a pancake, you can do it in just a pan and make it a certain shape.
Perfect. Good job. Nigel? To pancake? Okay, perfect. Phoenix?
Somebody said that it's harder to use a waffle iron. Well, that's not true, because all you have to do is make the batter, and you can make little waffle things and pour what shape you want.
Okay. All right, so that concludes our 1 minute for the rebuttals for waffles. So now we're going to go into the rebuttals for pancakes. I'm going to start my 1 minute timer. All right. Sylvia and James, I see a hand raised. You guys can come off mute.
I heard someone say that it's easier to make a waffle in a waffle iron, but that's not true because waffles can get stuck to the iron very easily and it makes them hard to clean. But with pancakes, you just make it on a pan and it's easier to clean because they wouldn't get stuck.
Okay.
I heard somebody say that pancakes are healthier than waffles. That's not true. Because whenever I go to a restaurant, they always sell waffles with sugar.
Okay, that concludes our 1 minute. Okay, so for 1 minute, we are now back to waffles. Do I see a hand? All right, Phoenix.
Somebody said that a waffle can stick to a waffle iron. Well, that's not true. Sometimes you can pour butter on the waffle iron to make it non-stick.
Okay. Judah?
I heard someone say that you can't shape a waffle, but you can shape a pancake. Well, batter can get everywhere under the pan, and it can get everywhere.
Nathan?
I heard someone say that they went to a restaurant and they sell sugary waffles. Well, actually, it would depend on the type of waffle you get. If you get the less sugary waffle, then there's less sugar in it.
Nigel?
I heard my friend say pancakes are bigger than waffles, but when I researched, I found out that in most parts of the world, they cook waffles bigger than pancakes on Google.
Okay, good job. So that concludes our 1 minute timer. So last but not least, for 1 minute, we're going to give the floor to pancakes. Sylvia and James, you now have the floor.
I heard someone say that waffles are healthier than pancakes, but according to the USDA, pancakes have less sodium and fat than waffles. Pancakes have 500 11 milligrams of sodium and 14.1 grams of fat, and pancakes only have 431 milligrams of sodium and 9.7 grams of fat. Food that's high in sodium and fat are not good for you. James, you.
Okay.
I heard somebody say that it takes faster to cook a waffle. That's not true. Whenever I cook pancakes, it always only takes 1 minute for them to bake.
Okay.
Go ahead, James. Go.
So I heard someone say that pancakes can be bigger in some parts of in most parts of Earth, and that means it's worse for you. And if waffles hold more syrup, then that means it's more sugar, and it's not more healthy. It's just
All right, that concludes our 1 minute timer. Good job to everyone. All right, so next we're gonna move into our brain break. How do you make a sad waffle smile?
Any ideas? How do you make a sad waffle?
Anybody want to raise their hand to tell me? Nigel?
You give compliments about why waffles would be better.
Okay. Sylvia and James?
is this a joke?
Yes. All right, let's see. Let's see. You butter them up. Okay. All right, y'all. So now let's move into our object of proof. Next, we're going to move into our object of proof. All right, Waffles. You have the floor. Nigel, thank you.
Another reason why I think waffles would be better is because right here, I have a box. Can you guys see it? I have a box to show Belgian waffles right here. You know it has a lot of ingredients and other toppings on it. Right here, the sodium says that there's only about 393 sodium in the waffle of Belgian waffles. Can you guys see it?
We can see it a little bit. Your background is kind of fading it out.
I can take it off.
Okay.
There.
Okay. I can see it.
And that's my object of proof.
Thank you, Nigel. Judah?
My object of proof is a homemade waffle.
Yum.
That is my object of proof.
Thank you, Judah. All right, Nathan.
My object of proof is I also have a yummy waffle right here.
That looks delicious.
That's my object of proof.
Phoenix?
For my object of proof, I will be doing a recipe of waffle, a perfect recipe of homemade waffles. Waffles are easy to make. All it takes is flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, eggs, vanilla extract, butter, and milk. All the things you have in your kitchen.
All right, Team Waffles. Did I miss anyone? Thumbs up. Did I get everyone? Okay, perfect. All right, let's move on to Team Pancakes.
My object of proof is a waffle maker to show how big it is. And some people don't have the space or the money to keep it. And it's more hard to clean because it's so big in the inside. And there's lots of holes in it.
And my object is proof is homemade pancakes made in the shape of different things. As you can see, this one's a heart, and this one's in the shape of a little cat, and this one's in the shape of a J for me.
All right, last but not least on the Team Pancakes.
My objective proof is a homemade pancake.
Ooh.
What?
All right, good job, everyone. Did I miss anybody showing their object of proof? All right, so let's move on. So we're gonna move now to the surprise attack. All right, so it says, let me see, I can't see. Surprise attack. Carpe diem is Latin for seize the day. What's one way that Waffles Pancakes help you seize the day? Each student state your answer about your side. Judges score based on who is most creative with their answer. Phoenix, size today.
Seize today while throwing waffles at people so they can eat them.
Judah,
Giving waffles to people who want them.
Nigel,
Giving waffles to people when you bake them, or to your friend that doesn't really eat them that much, or probably to someone that can't have waffles that much.
Nathan,
A yummy waffle can help you start your day.
okay, good job. That's everybody on Team Waffle. All right, Team Pancake.
Go.
Showing people how to make pancakes.
I would do it by giving someone a pancake and putting lots of syrup on it so they would feel sweetened during their day.
Seize the day by putting a new ingredient in a pancake that you've never done before.
Such as zucchini.
Such as zucchini. You can actually make pancakes out of zucchinis and vegetables.
Good job, everyone. Did everyone have a chance to go? Thumbs up. Good job, good job. Is that a question? You have a question? Okay, what's your question?
I think you missed Phoenix.
Phoenix went. Thank you. All right, so here we go for another brain break. What does a baseball team and pancakes have in common? Someone give me a drum roll. I need something. Do, 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 do. They both need a good batter. Ha, 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 ha. All right, y'all. We're almost to the end. All right, so now we're to the part where we are at our 6-word sentence. So now, since this is our last, we're going to switch up the order. We're going to let Pancakes go first. Pancakes, start us off with our 6-word sentence. Only 6 words.
My 6-word sentence is pancakes are very healthy and versatile.
Ooh.
And my 6-word sentence is pancakes are the easiest food ever.
Mine is pancakes taste good and smell good.
Thank you, Team Pancakes. All right, let's give it up for Team Waffle. Judah, start us off.
Waffles are crunchy and very sweet.
Phoenix.
Waffles is an amazing superpower.
Good job. Nigel.
Waffles have more perks than pancakes.
Okay. Nathan.
Waffles are healthier than pancakes.
Okay. Good job. Good job. Did I miss anyone? Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Everybody had a chance to go? Okay. All right, so while our judges finish tallying up our scores and get everything together, we're going to watch our last brain break. Give me a second to bring it up on our screen. Can everyone see that? Can I get a thumbs up if you can see it? Good job, good job, good job.
Brilliant, Mr. Burgess. Samantha Book. Book. With an E. Arise, Miss Book. With an E. Into the hot spot, Miss Book. With an E. You know, there's never been a female on the debating team, ever.
Yes, sir, I know that.
What makes you think you should be the first?
Because, sir, I am just as qualified
Miss
as
Book.
anybody else here. My gender
Resolve.
has nothing.
Welfare discourages hard work. You'll argue the negative. Welfare takes away a man's strongest reason for working, which is survival. and that weakens the will of the poor. How would you rebut that, Miss Book? With me?
I would say it does not. Most of the New Deal goes to children anyway, and to the handicapped, and to old people.
Is that fact or conjecture?
It is a fact.
Speak up.
It is a fact,
What's your source?
President.
Of the United States?
Yes, sir.
That's your primary source. You spoke to President Roosevelt personally.
Of course not. I did not speak to him personally, but I listened to his fireside chat.
Ah, a radio broadcast.
Yes.
Any other sources?
Yes, there are other sources. Like that look in her mother's eyes when she can't feed her kids. Without welfare, Mr. Tosin, people would be starving.
Who's starving, Miss Booker?
The unemployed are starving.
Mr. Burgess here. He's unemployed. Obviously, he's not starving. You gave a faulty premise, so your syllogism fell apart.
Syllogism?
Your logic fell apart. Major premise, the unemployed are starving. Minor premise, Mr. Burgess is unemployed. Conclusion, Mr. Burgess is starving. Your major premise was based on a faulty assumption. Classic fallacy. Who's next?
All righty. Give me 1 second. I love that too. I love that movie as well, Nigel. Okay, everyone. All right, everyone. So the scores have came in and the winner is Waffles. Let's give Waffles a round of applause. Good job to everyone who participated tonight. Thank you, judges. Thank you, participants. You all did amazing.
Good job, Waffles.
Yes, we love that. Good job. It takes a
Thank
lot
you.
for y'all to get up here. I'm extremely proud of you all. You all did great.
You did a great job, Pancakes.
Yes, you did.
Congratulations.
You guys did too.
You got.
Well, as a judge, I can say I honestly enjoyed all this discussion about waffles and pancakes, and I learned so much from y'all's research that waffles can be shaped like hot dogs, that pancakes are easier to make. Just a lot of good information. You guys did a great job researching your topics out.
I agree. I agree. Once again, thank you everyone for participating. I actually enjoyed this myself. I'm extremely proud of each and every one of you. If you all don't have any questions, I hope you all have a great night. Once again, thank you, judges, for your time. Thank you all for your time and energy. All right. Anything else? I hope everyone have a great night. Y'all have a great week. Get some rest and week at school.
Bye.
Enjoy the week at school. Y'all stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Mhm.